What's going on, guys? So today I want to show you a way to find secret targeting inside of your Facebook ad. So if you have a product that you're selling, or even a service, really, I'm going to show you ways to find really high targeted kind of secret audiences that most people are not going to find because they're not leveraging tools that I'm about to show you. So make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and let's get right into it. So I'm over here and I already showed kind of my ad account here, a bunch of different campaigns. These are a bunch of different products that we're running right now, but I just went ahead and I selected all of these products right here that are running, and I said, hey, let's see everything under, add to carts that are $5. And I like to do this in bulk because I don't want to go one by one, campaign by campaign by campaign. I want to do everything in bulk because I want to save as much time as possible, because the more time I have, the more time I have to launch products, find more products. And if we have time here at the end of this video, I'll even launch a product on this video and show you how we do, high, very great targeting with those products. So you can see these are all under $5 added carts, and this is like a $100 product. This is like a $700 product. This is like this one's like 400. This one's like 700. This one's like a couple hundred. So these are really good products, but I want to focus on this drone quad. Actually, I want to focus on this 3D printer right now. So what I want to do is go over here to audiences, and I'm sure you're familiar with Audience Insights, but this is a better way to run Audience Insights because it will do it all for you. So I'm using AdChill, which you can grab below. It's pretty much a Facebook ad automation software. And if I were to type in 3D printer, you can see 3D printer world pops up, right? Okay, let's check out 3D printer world. Let's put it into our list of products or interests here. And you can see I have a huge list of interest here. And you can see iPhone 4, iPhone 5, iPhone 6. And what it's going to do, it's going to add it to the list of these products. And let's see if I can find it really quickly. See, I think I already have it in there, so go ahead and search for it. Here it is, 3D printer world. And you can see I have a couple different things here, right? So 3D printing industry. Now it's going to search Audience Insights for the best of the best interests to target based off of that. So like 3dprint.com, right? Rapid prototyping, probably really good. Let's add it to our 3D printing folder. 3D printing folder. And what's really cool, I don't need a right folder. What's really cool is after I do this, I'm going to be able to launch ads to these interests. And these are like, if you were to spend all your time searching Audience Insights, these are what would come up. So you can select multiple of them. Design news, that's probably really good. 3D Artist magazine, this looks like it's a little small, so I won't do that one. Make magazine, perfect. And let's select this one too. So every one of them you select up here, oops, I forgot to add to those to the folder. Every one you select up here is going to go find other good ones down here. ArtStation. Pretty much anybody who likes art is probably pretty good for our 3D printing, right? Now, I'm selling a 3D printer. If you want to go ahead and see it here, let's see if I can pull it up. I launched it in like 2 seconds with AdChill, and I'll show you that later if we do have time. If not, then I'll go ahead and make it into another video. But if we look at my ads here, you can see the 3D printer is launched, right? Pretty cool video. It made really quickly. You got 6 shares. I just literally launched this yesterday. It's already got 6 shares, which is pretty awesome. But now, since I'm adding these to the folder, I can launch ads to them. So let me go ahead and add that to that folder and watch this. When I go up to dashboard here, and you can see my ad campaign here on Facebook ads, right? You can see there's 3 ad sets running, 2 inactive. I want to show you how awesome this is. So now I have the 3D printer campaign selected, or the ad set selected. And usually what you do is you go to Audience Insights and find all these interests and then duplicate and put in a new interest because you want to test more ads, right? I'm going to simply select this, right? And then I'm going to pick those interests that I have right here that I just created. Boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or 9 of them, right? I could even schedule, like 5 today and 5 in 24 hours. I'm gonna make them all $5. And then watch this. I'm gonna create, just like that, I hit schedule now, and it create 9 new ad sets. I could do that literally with all lookalikes. I could do 100 lookalikes if I wanted to make 100 ad sets. I could do 100 different videos if I wanted to test 100 different videos. I could do a combination of both. And you can see it's uploading right now. So you remember I had 5 here. Let's give it like, a couple seconds. I've got 9 coming in. If I refresh it one time, there's probably 2 more in there. Boom. As you can see, they're being uploaded in review at $5 a piece, going to Maker Faire, going to digital modeling and fabrication. And if I refresh again, there's probably even more. So as you can see, it just kind of automates the whole process. And this is just kind of a way to find, different audiences really, really easily. And you can do this for any interest that you have. Like, let's say you're selling basketball gear. You could type in basketball, and then AdChill is going to go find more basketball interests for you that have high affinities, maybe Facebook suggestions. And you just really want to rapid test as many interests as possible, because the more interests you test, the more winning ad sets you'll find. And then every day I'll go in and I'll say, hey, anything under $5 add to cart, I'm going to keep on, maybe scale, while anything over $5 add to cart, I want to just turn off. Or maybe you want to do anything over, a couple bucks, link click. Whatever your metric is, you can do that here on AdChill. So we'll just let this finish uploading. Looks like there's 2 more ad sets to be uploaded. And that's about it, guys. I wanted to just show you this really quickly. It looks like we're running out of time here, so I'm not going to hold you around too long. But check out the other videos as well. I want to show you how we can launch products in literally 3 minutes instead of spending, an hour and a half for each product. If you do want to grab AdChill, you can do that. We'll set you up with a free demo, and I'll jump on a call, show you exactly how it works, or somebody on my team will. You can see all of these ad sets with no stress on my side got uploaded. So other than that, check out AdChill by clicking the link below. Make sure to join the mastermind group we have below as well. You're gonna level up your game so much just by being around people who are absolutely crushing it with Facebook ads. And then if you have any question, let me know one question below that you do have about Facebook ads, and I will answer it either in text or a video format. So other than that, I hope you have a wonderful day. And while these ads upload, as you can see, they're probably done. Yep, they're all done by now. I'm going to keep launching new products, launching new ads, and keep crushing it. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.